two poles of equal height. This is of height h and this is also height of h, like electric poles, standing opposite on either side of the road. This is road. For road, on either side there are poles, two poles, which is 80 meters wide. The distance between these two poles is 80 meters. From a point between them means not in the midpoint. In between means here or here or here or here. The point of observation is here. Then the angle of elevation of the top of the poles is 60 degrees and 30 degrees. As it is very nearer the point, the angle of elevation is more. Therefore, this is 60 and this is 30 degrees angle of elevations. Find the height of the pole, and you have to find h, and also the distance of the point from the poles. From the first pole it is x distance. Let total distance is 80. Therefore, if it is x, the remaining part will be 80 minus x. You have to find x, 80 minus x, and h. For that same procedure, you have to identify two right angle triangles. One is orange and another is green. From orange triangle, this is opposite, this is adjacent. Therefore, opposite by adjacent, tan. Trigonometric ratio is tan. Tan 60 is equal to opposite h by adjacent. This part is x. H is common in both triangles. Therefore, make h as subject. H is equal to x into tan 60. H will be x. Tan 60 is root 3. That is first equation. In the same way, from the green triangle, tan 30 is equal to h by this part is 80 minus x. Then h will be 80 minus x into tan 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Therefore, h is equal to 80 minus x by root 3. 1 by root 3. This is second equation. From first and second equation, LHS are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, compare RHS. This RHS is x root 3 is equal to this RHS is 80 minus x by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, x 80 minus x. Minus x becomes plus x. 3x plus x is equal to 80. 4x is equal to 80. X is equal to 4 how many times? 20 times. 20 meters. X is 20. One answer. You have to find the other distance. 80 minus x, that is from the second pole, the distance is 80 minus 20, that is 60 meters. Another answer. And you have to find the value of h, means you have to take first one. H is equal to x root 3. What is x? X is 20. 20 root 3 meters is the height of the pole.